Marley Drug.
Hi, my name is Monica and I'm a pharmacist who works with Marley Drug Pharmacy. Let's talk about how you can keep your home ready for these everyday conditions that seem to pop up at the most inconvenient times. Having a well-stocked medicine cabinet is important. It means that whether you're dealing with a headache, a cold, or a minor injury, you have what you need right at your fingertips. This can save you from making unnecessary trips to the doctor or pharmacy, and it allows you to address minor conditions before they become bigger problems. With so many over-the-counter medications available, it can be tough to know which ones are truly important to keep at home. So let's walk through a list of must-have products to help you feel prepared for whatever minor health concerns might arise. First, let's talk about allergies. If you experience symptoms such as runny nose, sneezing, or itchy eyes, you might want to have an antihistamine on hand. Medications like cetirizine or Zyrtec, diphenhydramine or Benadryl, and fexofenadine or Allegra can help relieve these symptoms. But be aware, diphenhydramine can cause drowsiness, so it's best to take it when you don't need to be alert, like before bed. However, because it can cause drowsiness, this medication can also be beneficial for those having difficulty sleeping. For nasal congestion, you might consider nasal sprays such as Flonase, Nasonex, or Nasacort. These nasal sprays contain corticosteroids, which are a type of steroid. When you're exposed to allergens like pollen or pet dander, your immune system overreacts in an attempt to remove these irritants from your body. This overreaction causes inflammation in your nose, leading to symptoms like stuffiness and itching. These over-the-counter medications reduce the inflammation in your nose, which helps ease symptoms like a runny nose, sneezing, and itching. Another option for nasal and sinus congestion and pressure are decongestants like pseudoephedrine or Sudafed. It's effective, but it can cause an increase in heart rate or blood pressure. There is also phenylephrine or Sudafed PE. Although both medications help relieve congestion and make breathing easier, most experts believe that Sudafed is more effective than Sudafed PE. This could be because your body absorbs pseudoephedrine better. Keep in mind that Sudafed must be bought at the pharmacy counter, whereas Sudafed PE is available on the shelves with other over-the-counter medications. Sudafed is a restricted medication due to its potential for misuse. So moving on to digestive issues. If you're prone to motion sickness, Dramamine can be a lifesaver. For constipation, Miralax is a gentle option, and if diarrhea strikes, Imodium can help you get it under control quickly. For heartburn and indigestion, there are several options. Tums is an antacid that helps reduce or balance the acid in your stomach, providing relief for heartburn, indigestion, and an upset stomach. If you need longer-lasting relief, consider a proton pump inhibitor like esomeprazole or Nexium, lansoprazole or Prevacid, or omeprazole or Prilosec. Pain relief is another important category. Tylenol is good for reducing fever and relieving pain, while ibuprofen, Advil, or Motrin are a type of medication known as non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, or NSAIDs for short. It works by blocking certain proteins in your body called COX, which are responsible for causing inflammation, swelling, and pain. By stopping these proteins, ibuprofen helps to reduce inflammation, ease swelling, and relieve pain, which makes them ideal for things like minor muscle aches and minor arthritis pain. However, it is important to be cautious with these as they can cause stomach upset or in some cases lead to more serious issues like stomach ulcers or kidney problems if used long term. And for women, having Midol on hand can help manage menstrual pain. For cold and flu symptoms, a digital thermometer is important to monitor fever. Acetaminophen and ibuprofen can both help with fever, headaches, and muscle aches. If you're dealing with more symptoms like a stuffy nose or cough, Dayquil and NyQuil are good options, though NyQuil can make you drowsy and sleepy, which is why it should be taken at night. So for congestion, both pseudoephedrine and phenylephrine are options. If a cough is your issue, Delsum can help suppress a dry cough, while Mucinex is useful for thinning mucus in a wet cough, helping you to clear it more easily. Skincare is also something to think about, especially in the sun. Make sure you have a broad spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 to protect against harmful UV rays. Finally, for wound care, your cabinet should include basic first aid supplies like Band-Aids, medical tape, and alcohol wipes or hydrogen peroxide. For minor cuts, scrapes, or burns, Neosporin or bacitracin are good options to prevent infection and help with healing. It is important to remember that a well-stocked medicine cabinet should be regularly updated. Take some time every few months to check expiration dates, replace any used or outdated items, and make sure everything is easy to find in an emergency. This way, you'll always be prepared to handle these minor health issues that come up. You can read more about over-the-counter medications and products along with all of the over-the-counter medications we discussed in this video on our website, so check those articles out in the links below. And if you have any questions, be sure to ask your doctor or leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.